That thing sounds fucking crazy, bro. Nuts. Nuts. Let's go inside. Go for a drive right now in this fucking bad machine, bro. To the rude boy, yeah, so. You see? You see? Thing is quick, bro. Fucking Jane strip.
That's why I like this one.
You like it right now, huh? Bro, imagine when you do a tune. Imagine when you do a tune. Trust me, yo, take my word for it, bro. It'll be a big difference. Big difference when you tune the car. Cause that when you can feel all the power for your headers, the exhaust, you know what I mean? And see how you can't get no cats right now? Nice flow.
No,
yeah, man.
Straight flow.
Yeah, man.
But the guy say if I want to put back on a cat, you have it, so.
Nah, only time you need that if you get pulled over or something and the man and say, yo, you know, have no cat, you gotta put, you know, but you'll be good, yo, you don't need that, yo.
You're not that loud.
Nah, car sound real good. And only when you really you know, put your foot down on it and when you hear you, right?
That's
so that's good. You understand? Same thing, yeah, man, that's good. Cause you have to be able to drive, you know, normal sometimes, right? I'll go on with. So what year that one be? 2005? 2005. Scene.
Change your brakes, cause when the brakes get hot,
yeah,
rubbing. And it's brand new brakes.
Yeah. We change like your rotors and pads. Everything get changed, and it's still rub right now.
You're not hearing it? Hearing it?
Oh, that's what. That's what that noise is. Oh shit, yeah.
Anytime your brakes get hot.
Nah, man, you have to get some better brakes still. You me get a place still too. We gonna give you a link. See? Yeah, man. Cause we're all in power right now. You need brakes, you know.
Give you like air freshener to hot rod stuff.
Oh, sick. We definitely gonna check them out still, man.
Yeah, they're good, man. They're good.
So when they cut Hot Rod Squad?
Scott.
Hot Rod Scott. I see. I'm gonna let everybody know where you go and everything. If you man want to get a nice song and exhaust too, and then that way, you know, we go put all the link and everything in the description still. Yeah, man. Car song real wicked, yo. For real. Car this, yo. Yo, doggy, the car sound wicked, yo. Yo. This thing sounds so fucking sick, bro. Yo, this thing sound fucking wicked. Thing sound wicked, bro. Hear that? Window open. That's the difference. Goes, yo. Yo, you said butcher car louder than this?
Yeah, louder. Butcher car.
Butcher car louder than this?
Yeah.
Holy shit, bro. Yo.